all the sorrow. Me mouth drink away my sorrow. Guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess I'm not care about tomorrow. Me, I drink pine and ginger. Me mom if you wine pen thing, I'm gonna play that in my.
Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
Babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making the famous pine and ginger drink. Now just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Watch, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned to see the process. Peeling our pineapple, we are washing the skin to make the drink because we're not drink nothing dirty around here. After boiling the pineapple skin for a while, we're going to boil our ginger with it. After boiling, we're going to blend pineapple pieces with the pineapple juice extracted from the one we boiled with the skin, and then we're gonna add the ginger as well and blend up that. So stay tuned to see the end results. After blending, we're going to add sugar to taste, so you add the amount of sugar that you want, and after that we're gonna re-blend to ensure it's smooth and then strain our drink, and that's it. Chill and enjoy.